How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and today we'll be going over our Dart Arow Stick Traffic Advisor. So when you get your light bar out of the box, you'll have your light bar go into your cable harness, and you'll notice a connector, and this is to be used with our optional direct control box, or you can cut this off in Hardwire if you'd like to. And then you'll have your cig-plug here for power, and then you'll have your aux line, where you can connect up to 10 amps of extra lighting, all off of your direct control. And then here you'll have a white cable, which is to be used to hardwire the LED backlight on your direct control box. Now on your direct control box, you'll have your power button, you'll have your mode 1 and mode 2 buttons, so you have dual flash pattern memory, you have your pattern changer button, your aux button, your dim functionality, which will dim the LEDs on your light bar, you have your LED backlight button here, then you have your center out, left, right, and right, left traffic advising features. And then here you have your slow and fast switch, which can be used whether you're in your warning or your traffic advising mode. So let's go ahead and get this light bar hooked up and go over the features. So for example here, I'm using my optional direct control box. So I have my power button, and then mode 1, where I have one flash pattern programmed, and then mode 2, where I have a second flash pattern programmed. So I have dual flash pattern memory. And in warning mode, you'll notice only the center of my dart is illuminated. And then here you have your pattern changer button, you have your aux button, you have your dim feature, which will dim the LEDs on your light bar, and then you have your LED backlight button here, which will activate the red backlight LEDs on your switch box. And again, you can activate that by your button or hardwire your white cable. Now for your traffic advisor, you'll have center out, right left, and left right. And you'll notice on each of my traffic advising directions, I had different flash patterns programmed, but each traffic advising direction will have multiple flash patterns to choose from, plus memory recall. And then here you have your slow and fast switch, which will speed up or slow down your flash pattern, whether you're in your traffic advising mode or your warning mode. When it comes to activating the LED backlight on your direct control box, you can do that via your button here, or you can use your white cable to hardwire that function. Now if you use your white cable, your button will become inactive, so you can either use your white cable to hardwire the function, or you can use the button on your control box. Now for mounting your light bar, you'll have your included mounting brackets here, and these are adjustable along the back track of your dart. So that covers our Dart Arow Stick Traffic Advisor. Make sure to watch the flash pattern video to see all of the flash patterns that are included with this unit, and also use our interactive player to fully demo your lights online. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.